As Harley-Davidson fans eagerly await updates to the 2025 model lineup, the recent unveiling did not disappoint. With significant changes to the cruiser segment, new powertrains, and some exciting new models, there is a lot to uncover. Harley's 2025 lineup features updates to 6 cruiser models, refreshed cruiser models, Lowrider S, Lowrider ST, Breakout, Heritage Classic, Fat Boy, Street Bob. The new Harley-Davidson cruiser lineup features 3 new Milwaukee-Eight 117 powertrain variants. The first is the Milwaukee-Eight 117 Classic, available on the Street Bob and Heritage Classic models. The second is the Milwaukee-Eight 117 Custom, available on the Fat Boy and Breakout models. And the last is the Milwaukee-Eight 117 High Output, available exclusively on the Lowrider S and Lowrider ST. The new powertrain features a redesigned 4-valve cylinder head for improved performance and fuel efficiency, frame-mounted oil cooler for better thermal management, especially in low-speed or hot weather conditions, enhanced intake and exhaust systems tailored to the unique performance characteristics of each model, enhanced sound quality with exhaust and intake designed to emphasize low frequencies for a more powerful sound. So guys, for more details on the cruiser models for the 2025 lineup, please stay tuned. Lowrider ST. The Lowrider ST now offers a chrome trim option to meet the demands of consumers who want a more traditional style. Notably, the right side saddlebag, which was previously smaller to accommodate the dual exhaust, is now the same size, thanks to the new 2-to-1 exhaust system. Breakout. Back with a chrome-only trim, the Breakout offers a round headlight design and has 6 color options. This model combines classic Harley styling with modern performance. Fat Boy. A timeless classic, the Fat Boy comes with a Milwaukee-Eight 117 custom engine, chrome trim, and 4 color options. It remains a fan favorite for its bold design and powerful performance. Heritage Classic. This model combines black and chrome accents, a single-sided exhaust, and 5 new color options. The bike retains its vintage charm with modern upgrades. So guys, make your choice soon.